Welcome to 34B Iona Road, a beautifully designed family home built in 2012 with Oamaru stone. It has been cleverly designed to capture all-day sun, fully insulated and with double glazing. This single-level home offers many different spaces, outdoor areas and plenty of storage. The lovely kitchen offers all the modern features you would expect in a contemporary home. The open-plan dining and living rooms flow outside to the large deck, overlooking the private garden and stream with a great barbecue and entertaining area. The trickle of water over the weir provides a tranquil setting. A second separate lounge offers another space to entertain or for those who want their own space to relax or read. All bedrooms are of generous proportions, the master offering a walk-in wardrobe and a stylish ensuite. 3 of the bedrooms overlook the garden area, with 1 bedroom currently used as an office by the front door. The home is modern, fresh and light with clean-cut lines. It is north-facing, making the most of the sun from all angles. The landscaping has been thoughtfully planted, developed from scratch, and offers a private and relaxing oasis. My vendors are ready to move on, so call Sophie today if you'd like to view.